Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making white rice. I have here some Japanese white rice that I'm just pouring out into a bowl. Japanese rice tends to be a bit shorter in grain and also stickier, a bit more chewier than your other types of rice, such as Basmati or Jasmine, and it's my preferred one. So we'll take out a measuring cup. I have one here that I'll just go and measure 1 cup of rice. I'll pour it into my electric rice cooker. And I'll measure another cup and pour that right in. And then we're going to take a look. I have these tick marks on the side of my rice cooker, and it shows you how much water to add. So for the 2 cups of rice, I'm just going to first wash my rice. I'm just using tap water, making sure that I'm really washing the rice between my hands and making sure that all the extra starch and stuff runs out and that the water is clear. I'll give it another rinse until I feel that the rice is ready to go. After straining all the water, I'm going to pour in bottled water, just because I don't like to use tap water when I'm cooking my rice. And I'll pour the water until it reaches the 2-cup tick mark that's on my rice cooker. Typically, I like to use my finger to measure it, so I see where the rice measures up to my finger, and then I'll just double that for the water that I need. And this rice cooker that I have is really nifty. I can just put it in, set it, and there is this button where I can start the cooking process, and then afterwards it keeps the rice nice and warm as well. So here it is. This is the white rice that we have right now. I'll just take a spoon and start fluffing it up so that it's nice and loose and ready to scoop. Now we love to have a nice warm hot bowl of rice with all these dishes that we typically have for dinner, and it's just the perfect blank canvas to have with your other food that you're eating. And you can see here that we are all done. So enjoy.